Hey, what is going on, y'all? Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I will tell you that I have not scripted any of this. I just wanted to get out and ride, man. I've got a particular destination, but in terms of this video content, I want you to stay tuned. I'm going to try to bring you some stuff that's a little bit different, show you a little bit of this Virginia Beach area, in Hampton Roads and what it has to bring, but then also just have some conversation as we're going into the riding season. The riding season is just starting here in Virginia, as far as I'm concerned anyway. We're in the 80s today. You can see people over in the distance over on the beach. Like I said, just taking things in. But today's trip, we're going to see some beautiful stuff and we're just going to have some conversation. Let's get into it. Let's go. So one of the things that I wanted to accomplish in today's video was to get out and test all of the things that I've got setting up. If you've been following me, you know I did a Shoei GT Air 2 video and also reviewing the Shoei Helmi lineup. So the GT Air 2, which I have, the J Cruise 3, and then also the Neotech 3. And so, like I said, part of the reason for this ride is for me to make sure that I do all of the ops checks on my helmet to make sure all of my stuff is working. Whether it be the camera that you're seeing right here, the mic inside the helmet, all of that stuff to produce quality content. And then also, you're going to see right here, hopefully you saw that, I have that hydraulic arm for my camera, and the reason why, my 360 camera, and the reason why is I like for my videos to be crisp and as best as they can be, produced as they can be. You know, sometimes, you know, it's hard to pull content, but if you're watching a crappy video, you ain't gonna watch it at all. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, the reason why I bought that arm is because I've been having problems with the hardware that is on the bag rack that is on the tour pack. And so what happens is the camera just ends up falling back like this and stuff like that. And I'm trying to figure out a way not to have to mess with that. If this hydraulic arm doesn't give me the pictures that I want, then I'm gonna get one of those mounts that you see the folks have on their cars, where they're mounting their 360 cameras pointed back like that. That's what I'm gonna go to next. But anyway, next week I'm gonna be going to Outer Banks Bike Week. So I want to make sure that all of my equipment is ready to go and I can produce a nice quality video for you guys to watch. And then the week after that, I'm going to Ocean City, Maryland for their cruise in the ocean. And so this is going to be a motorcycle / cars and coffee video. I can't wait to make that, because then Ocean City, this is going to be a preview for Ocean City Bike Week in September, I believe it is. I do plan on going down there for a day, running up and running back down, because then I have another big trip right behind that I'm going to be taking, that I want to make sure that I get in. And I'll talk about that trip a little bit more in the future. But where I'm headed right now is I really like going outdoors, being in the outdoors and just taking everything in, nature, peace, serenity, all that other kind of stuff. And so I am headed into First Landing State Park for veterans with certain, for veterans with certain categories and stuff like that. They give you a free state pass. So check with your state to see what benefits you get if you're a veteran, and especially if you're receiving VA benefits from VA rating and stuff like that. Check with your states to see what benefits you get offered in terms of things that you might get for free or reduced rate or whatever the case should be. In this particular case, I have a pass for state park passing that I came to pick up from here. So that way you don't have to pay to get in. I think it covers entry and parking. So for example, you see right here where it says parking $10. I would be clear to that as far as I know, but we'll see. Let me go ahead and get my helmet up here so I can talk to him. How you doing? All right. I had my I'm a veteran and I had my pass mailed here instead of to my house. Do you know where I would pick that up at?
Visitor Center.
Where is that at?
To the left.
Okay. All right. Cool. Thank you too. like I was saying, this video is going to be kind of random. Hopefully you stick around and stay. But anyway, like I said, this video is going to be kind of random, testing out my equipment, getting ready for all of these miles that I plan on putting down. And I'm doing the 2026 Harley Davidson Ride Challenge. So I'm going to be logging miles for that as well. I'm just starting out, but with everything that I have planned for this year, all of the trips that I have planned, and I'm hoping you stick and stay with me, I plan on filling out those miles pretty good. But it is about 80 some odd degrees right now, and I am on Shore Drive here in Virginia Beach. And as you can see, there's some beautiful overhanging trees and stuff like that that provide a lot of shade and a nice cool temperature for me to get some riding in. And I don't usually take Shore Drive because it's a long way to get to the oceanfront, but in this particular case I am, because I just want to get out and ride, man. You know, life's been lifing, as people say, you know what I'm saying? And I tell you, without God in my life, man, I don't know how I would have made it through certain things that have gone on over the past year. Just having to change my whole outlook on life, man. And one of those things that I did to help with the situation, and hopefully you check that video out, is I did a Stop Soldier Suicide 400-mile ride. It was a fundraiser through Facebook where, you know, a bunch of people rode miles to be able to collect donations and stuff like that. And luckily this year I was able to meet my donation goal of $250. Not only met it, but I exceeded it by $50. And so I want to continue to do things in the mental health space. By no means am I a mental health professional, but I can tell you that the things that I've been through in my life, and I'm not saying I had the worst life in the world, but everybody confronts things differently and has different, you know, traumas and situations in their life, man. And so I am a big proponent of, you know, getting well, seeking help, man. Don't try to take on things too much. And that's what I did. That was my fault. I tried to take on way too many things, thinking I knew everything and thinking that my way was the right way, when in fact there were a lot of things that I weren't doing right, man, and it affected people around me. But what I will tell you is I am in the learning mode now. I am looking to improve my life bigger and better, and that's what 2026 is about for this channel as well. Doing things bigger and better in 2026. Locked in for 2026. You probably heard me say that a bunch of times. But the reason why is because I want to do things bigger and better in my personal life and on this channel in quality, quantity, and adventure, man. And that's a part of what today's about, is just getting out and riding the bike, putting some miles down, relaxing, you know what I'm saying? Like, no stresses, nothing to worry about. The greatest concern I have right now riding this motorcycle is just making sure that my footage is good, you know what I'm saying? Because ain't nothing more aggravating than when you get back to the house and your sound don't work right, or you didn't get the shot that you were looking for, or whatever the case may be. But again, I talk about rolling with the punches, right? In the past, I would have got so upset internally about not getting the footage the way I wanted it, or whatever the case may be. Now I just let it roll off my back. If you saw my Road Glide limited review video, test review video, and hop on over and check that out. If you saw my Road Glide limited test review video, that did not go as planned. And the reason why it didn't go as planned is because my audio went weird for some reason. And I don't like to shoot videos with voiceover. I want you to hear me real time, what is actually going on in that moment, and be able to share that in that particular circumstance. And so luckily I stayed calm, I stayed cool, and luckily I was able to salvage some of the audio so I could hear it and then type it out to be able to read it back once I was back in the house, in the studio, if you will. So that's why the voiceover matches up with a lot of the actions that I'm doing, is because I was able to get audio to play back, type out, and then read back. It's not what I prefer to do, but when you have content like that I thought was really good and I wanted to share with you guys, I want to make sure I get that content out no matter how I go about doing it. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, what I'm talking about though is just self-improvement, making sure to be moving forward in your life, have positivity in your life, and the things that are going around you. And for some people, that's not God, that's not Jesus, that's not any type of religion. But what I will say is whatever gets you in a state of mind that gets you out of the negative and looking at things in a way that maybe isn't even reality in some situations, being able to change your mindset and do things in a positive nature to affect this world in a positive way, because we got enough negative stuff going on around us that is absolutely out of our control. The thing is for us to control what we can control, right? And that's a part of what this ride is about today. That's also a part about the different trips that I'm going to be taking this year, is just spreading positivity, man. I stopped over by Chicks Customs Motorcycles just a few minutes ago. I walked in and the owner, man, his name's John, the owner, man, he talked to me like we were freaking, you know, like we've known each other for years, man. Just come in, sit down, and relax and look at some of the custom ride that he had in there. So if you're into custom bikes, or if you need maintenance done on your Harley Davidson in the Virginia Beach area, hop on over to Chicks Custom Cycles. I'll leave their information right down here at the bottom, and you can check them out. But anyway, that's what I'm talking about as far as the motorcycle community goes, is people helping people just shooting the breeze. They don't care how much you know or how much you don't know or whatever the case may be. They're just going to sit back and shoot the breeze with you instead of having all the egos and all that other kind of stuff. But anyway, like I said, I hope you're taking in the sights. I want to get the drone up in the air, but I got to find somewhere to park. It's real hard to park down here in Virginia Beach, but I want to get the drone up in the air, get some footage of this beautiful East Coast here in Virginia Beach, Virginia, for you to be able to see. So let's go ahead and get the drone up in the air and shut me up for a minute. Hey guys, so as I mentioned in the open, this is just going to be a ride video. I wanted to get out and stretch the legs a little bit, enjoy this beautiful weather, and just talk to y'all for a little while. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, there's a lot of big things coming to the channel over the next few months that I hope you stick around to see. But as always, I want to thank you for watching this video till the end. I want you to like, share, and subscribe. And remember to always ride as if your life depends on it. Peace and be blessed.